Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have this cool unboxing of this pure bass wireless JBL headset. Alright, so this will be the unboxing. I'll also have a setup tutorial and other guides how to connect this to various devices. Alright, so you can see on the front of the device the JBL branding. That's right here, and you can see pure bass wireless, and this is the design of the headphone. It comes with Bluetooth. It presents an impressive 40-hour battery life, and of course this is the Tune 510BT. That's it. It has wireless, it has pure bass sound, hands-free calls, sans fill, not sure what that is, and of course I think this is just another language. So it's just wireless, pure bass sound, hands-free calls. All right, so that's the three key features. So you can actually use this for calls. You can see the side of the box, and of course this is the original product. You can see on this side as well the information here, and of course you see voice assistant supported and compatible with assistant vocal, meaning of course it can be used with the assistant on your phone. At the top of the box, this is what we see, and it basically repeats the functions, and of course the serial information is at the base here, and you can see the various serial information here. All right, so the information is here along with the serial information. I've covered that up, and of course again guys, you can see the entirety of the product. And let's check out the back. At the back here you can see a preview of the product. You can see the JBL logo and branding. It shows you here the features again, and of course the model number, which is the Tune 510BT, and of course JBL pure bass sound, hands-free calls, multi-point connection, and of course there's lightweight, and of course the foldable design. All right, so right here you can see it shows it's a Type-C connection. It has Bluetooth 5.0. In 5 minutes it will give you 2 hours, and of course with full charge I guess it will give you 40 hours charge. All right, so these are foldable as well. These are brand new. I've never opened them, and we're gonna open up the box, so I might have to blur that section there. The serial information. Here we have the seal. I'm gonna cut this seal. All right, so I'm gonna cut the seal here. All right. I'll also link this product in the description of the video, so you can actually check it out. All right, so let's open this up. So it removes from the back. There you go. This is the box. I'm gonna put this aside. All right, so here we go. And I like the touch with these. It includes these orange USB cable. That's really unique, and they're JBL branded. That's also nice again, especially when you have a lot of these, not to mix them up. All right, there's no adapter brick, so I'll place these here, and of course we can remove these. We see the backing and the information here. Let's check this out. So it gives this, so we can actually remove it, and here we go. It says quick start guide, and I'm assuming this will break down how it works. You can pause at any time and read. Here it gives how to use it in terms of how to connect to various devices, which should be standard for if you've ever connected a Bluetooth device. It shows the LEDs, so bright red low shows battery, red shows charging, fully charged I'm assuming is going to be green. All right, so you can actually see the breakdown here of the controls in terms of pause, how to switch through. You can pause as well here, and there's well documented information here. So there you go. There you go. All right, so let's run through. There you go. You can pause at any time. All right, guys, so we have everything here. And there's a lot of information in different languages here. There's another paper here in Japanese, not sure what that is. And of course, there's some safety information here as well. All right, so this comes in different languages. And there you go. Not necessary. All right, so we can actually secure this and place it back. All right, guys, so here we are again, and we're gonna remove these. It comes a section here, so they pop right out. All right, so this is nice. And what I like about these guys is that they're not too big. How do I compare them? If I were to clench my fist, it's roughly the diameter of my fist. They look much larger before, but that's not a problem. All right, so they fold like this. So in terms of folding, you can easily fold them into the shape. It's made out of plastic, The muffs feel very soft, and of course there's a padded section here. All right, so in order to snap them into place, they fold right back into place. So they fold inwards and they turn. All right, and you can fold them out, and that's it. So of course here we are on the sides, the padding, the plastic. You can see the plastic on here, and you can see the JBL logo here. Now on the what I assume to be one side, you have the power button. There's a LED indicator, there's volume up and down, and there's a button there. All right, so of course so far I'm loving the included cable. I'm liking the soft muffs and for comfortable design, and of course I like the controls. It's easy and intuitive, and of course the rated battery life. So of course this is it for the unboxing in case you want to check these out. So of course let me show you the buttons more carefully. And of course everything is just minimalistic. It's very light, and you can easily place these on. Another thing is that they are height adjustable, so they slide out on both sides for height adjustments in case your head's a little larger. All right, so that's it. So guys, I'm gonna do this is it for the overall quick test. In terms of my first impressions, I give this product a very solid 9 out of 10. Potential hazards is that in the future, I'm not sure if this will last. They easily identify right and left ear, so of course you can know which way or which direction to put them on. The controls are on the right, so it should be held like this. So this is the right side, and of course this is the left side. The muffs here, I'm not sure how long they'll last. This material feels very soft, but of course while it's soft and comfortable, I'm not sure in terms of durability. Like the extensions that you get with it, and of course I like the JBL branding. As to how they sound and so on, you'll have to actually see that in the full review. This is an unboxing to introduce you to the product. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.